us back in 2023.
Can I stay a bit longer?
Stay forever.
Well, happy freaking New Year's, besties! Can y'all believe that we are officially in 2023? Absolute insanity, babes. Like, are you kidding me? So I got out of the shower and just been getting ready for the day. We're ready for the new year. Wait, hold on. Where's my freaking hand cream, Janus? Oh, it's literally right here. Not going into 2023 crusty. Wow, this new year is bringing some new like feisty energy. I don't know what's going on. But y'all, how was your New Year's Eve? What did you guys end up doing? Well, as for me, all of my gal pals left town. So I wasn't sure what to do, but then one of my really good high school friends invited me to a party. So I got ready and everything. But once he showed up to the party, he did affirm what I thought would happen. Turns out it was a total sausage fest. Also, it rained throughout the whole night and I just didn't want to get out on the road. So I ended up having a very peaceful New Year's Eve with my cat. I've literally just been editing this whole time, but it is almost New Year's. I look ridiculous, hold on. Say hello to the world, it's almost 2023. Yay, Happy New Year! Wow, is this really sad? Just me like celebrating New Year's with my cat? Vibes. I cracked open a cold one and just watched my favorite Netflix show. And the best part, woke up with 0 hangover, so I'm feeling pretty good. Okay, anyway, I need to get out of this bathrobe and actually put on some clothes and get started with the day.
Thrifted this bad boy.
All right, so go ahead and get comfy. I'm personally feeling so cozy in this fleece and it's raining outside. It's just creating a vibe. So this morning you guys saw that I was writing down some New Year's goals in my journal. I personally love listening to other people's goals. It just gets me inspired about what I want to achieve this year, what I want to focus on. So I thought I'd go ahead and share with you guys. Also, I think it'll be really fun to kind of look back on this a year from now and just see how much has changed. So the first goal or resolution is of course related to YouTube, and that's to open up more in videos and let my authentic personality show more. So So I'm not even sure if you guys even noticed this. It's something that maybe I'm more hyper focused on, but I feel like because this was my first year back in my hometown, back in the US, I was just trying to get a hang on my new content and style because I know it was going to drastically change from what I was making while I was living in Japan. And I feel like in this process, I just really fell in love with vlogs and vlogging. It really does feel like a video diary in some way, like just being able to look back at a certain time, see where I was living, what I was doing. But what I noticed is that I don't really see what I was like thinking at the time. So in the way that I'm opening up and speaking more directly to you guys in this way, I hope I could carry that throughout more of my vlogs and just like not caring as much and being embarrassed about showing my personality. I feel like in my very first videos, I was showing my personality like way more, and maybe I'm just in my own head. I was a lot more sassy. I want to bring the sass back. Bring the sass back in 2023. That's the motto. The next goal, pretty basic, but it's to read more. I'm sure everyone puts that on their list. I personally really like self-help kind of books, or just reading about anything related to human behavior, psychology, but I'm definitely open to getting into more fiction. Please help a girl out and leave some book recommendations down below. Oh, okay. No, just leave. It's fine. I don't need you here. Okay, this next one is also a pretty big one for me, and that's to cultivate more connection in my life and to be open to new friendships. So when I was 18 years old and moved out of my hometown and moved to San Francisco for school, that's a time in many people's lives where we have to step outside of our comfort zone and make new friends. And after I graduated college, I moved to Japan and had to start all over and make brand new friends. So I was in that very social headspace for so long, but this past year, since I moved back to my hometown, I feel like I've only really been seeing like a handful of people. And because I am so introverted, I'm really just doing fine with my own company. I find it relaxing. I feel like I recharge myself a lot. But I could definitely like get into the habit of kind of like becoming a hermit. So I feel like I was really able to recharge myself in 2022, but for this year, I really want to put myself out there again. My next goal, this one's funny, I wrote oblivious silly girl energy. I'm sure that sounds kind of confusing, like why would you want to be an oblivious silly girl? But I think that's important for me to hear because I personally just take myself really seriously sometimes, and I feel like I could get in my own head and then those perfectionist tendencies come out and I kind of become paralyzed from that. And I feel like even with YouTube, I could just really get in my own way by overthinking too much because I can think of a video idea, film it, and get down to editing and just think the idea is really stupid and want to scrap the whole project. I just really want to get out of the headspace that everything I put out needs to be perfect. I really just want to have a silly, fun time with the girlies. I just want to show up authentically in whatever way that looks. And I hope for the people that get it, it resonates and you stick around, you know? Oh, and my next goal is of course to hit 100K on YouTube. So last year in 2022, I kind of started off with about 10,000 subscribers and we ended the year with 60,000. So that's crazy. 100,000 subscribers is a huge milestone, but I feel like we can hit it in 2023. Oh, and lastly, I didn't write this down, but for 2023, for this year, I wanted to try something with my planner. I get a planner like every year for Christmas. I actually use Notion to schedule out all of my weekly tasks. I was thinking of using my planner this year more so as like a journal. Instead of writing down tasks, I want to write down like where I went that day, who I saw. I just feel like it'll be a fun thing to look back on at the end of the year and visually see your whole year mapped out. See like when you met that new friend or when you tried out that new cafe. So yeah, those are all my New Year's resolutions or goals. But anyway, I really need to clean my room. Like I'm looking at my desk over here and I'm sorry, but it's disgusting. This is no way to start off 2023, ladies. I'm gonna take Kim K's advice and get my ass up and work. So from the looks of it, it's not raining anymore. I checked the weather app and it seems like we're gonna be good until tonight. It's gonna start raining again. So I'm gonna take advantage and try to go on a walk right now, putting on a windbreaker just in case. Better to be safe than sorry, babes. In case you're wondering what I'm packing, it's gonna look so random, but there's usually these really cute miniature horses on my walking path, so I like to bring them carrots sometimes. I'm hoping we'll see them. They might be taking cover because of the rain, but guess we'll find out. You kidding? Of course it starts raining right before I head out. Yeah, let's go back inside. Okay, so it just started like downpouring. I am completely soaked. I really hope the ponies will be out. Then it'll be all worth it. Oh my god, one just popped out. Come hither. I'm gonna see if I can like toss this. Oh, she's getting closer. I think she sees the carrot. I think I'm gonna try to like toss it. But oh no, you're so close. Over there. Over there. She ate it. I'm so happy. I think I'm gonna leave my camera out here.